In this video, you'll learn how to send cryptocurrency to a Binance ID. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to successfully complete your transfer, ensuring that your funds reach their intended destination securely and efficiently. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the wallet section, which can be found on the main dashboard. After selecting wallet, withdraw. This is where you will initiate the transfer of your cryptocurrency. Next, choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to send. Depending on the options available, you may see a choice to input an address or select a Binance ID. If the Binance ID option is visible, select it. This allows you to send the funds directly to the recipient's Binance account using their unique identifier. After selecting the Binance ID option, you will need to enter the recipient's Binance UID. It is crucial to enter this UID accurately, as any mistakes could result in the loss of funds. Once you have entered the UID, take a moment to double check it for correctness. Following this, input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Review all transfer details carefully to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with the details, you will need to confirm the transfer. This typically involves completing a two-factor authentication process. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the 2FA verification. After successfully verifying your identity, confirm the transaction. Internal transfers between Binance accounts usually process instantly, but it is advisable to check your transfer history for confirmation of the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.